Welcome back to the channel. Next Car Lunch. What if Tesla's next game-changing car isn't a $70,000 luxury EV, but an affordable electric car that could cost around $30,000? The rumored 2027 Tesla Model 2 could be Tesla's answer for buyers who want low running costs without paying premium EV money. But can this smaller Tesla really deliver enough range, durability, comfort, and value to make American buyers forget about traditional cars? Today, we're looking at everything that could make the Model 2 one of the most important affordable EVs to watch. Before we go further, there is one important point. Tesla has not officially confirmed final production specifications, pricing, or even all the details surrounding a vehicle called the Model 2 for 2027. So the numbers in this review are estimates based on Tesla's reported affordable EV direction and current market expectations. Treat them as projections, not official Tesla specifications. If Tesla actually brings the Model 2 to market, price could be its biggest weapon. For the United States, a realistic estimated starting price could be around $25,000 to $30,000 before incentives, with better-equipped versions potentially reaching $35,000 or more. That would place it well below Tesla's larger vehicles and make electric driving accessible to a completely different group of buyers. For Japan, an estimated price could be around 4 million yen to 5 million yen before taxes, registration, and other local costs. In other American export markets, the final price could vary significantly because of transportation costs, import duties, taxes, and local Tesla pricing. But why would an affordable Tesla matter so much? Because many buyers don't need a huge luxury vehicle. They need something economical for commuting, family use, deliveries, small business work, and everyday transportation. And this is where the Model 2 could become extremely interesting. Instead of paying for gasoline every week, owners could charge the vehicle at home or at work. The actual savings will depend on electricity and gasoline prices, but EV energy costs are generally much lower per mile than gasoline for many drivers. A realistic target could be around 200 to 300 miles of real-world range, depending on battery size, weather, traffic, speed, and driving conditions. We should not treat that as a confirmed figure yet. For city drivers, the Model 2 could potentially be even more efficient. Stop-and-go traffic is where electric vehicles have a major advantage because regenerative braking can recover some energy while slowing the car. Think about a small business owner driving 50 or 60 miles every day. Over 1 month, the difference between paying for gasoline and charging an efficient EV could become significant. Over 5 years, those energy savings could add up to thousands of dollars. Maintenance could be another major advantage. There is no traditional gasoline engine requiring regular oil changes, spark plugs, fuel filters, or many other engine-related services. That doesn't mean the Model 2 would be maintenance-free. Tires, brakes, suspension components, cooling systems, electronics, and battery-related systems still need attention. But for long-term ownership, fewer traditional mechanical components could potentially mean fewer routine service visits. The biggest long-term question will be battery durability. Modern EV batteries are designed for long service life, but battery health still depends on usage, climate, charging habits, and technology. If Tesla can offer strong battery durability at a low purchase price, the Model 2 could become especially attractive to high-mileage drivers. Insurance is another cost buyers should consider. A lower purchase price does not automatically guarantee cheap insurance. Repair costs, sensors, cameras, electronics, and replacement body panels can all affect insurance premiums. American buyers should compare real insurance quotes before making a final decision. Spare parts availability will also matter. Tesla already has a large customer base and service network in the United States, but a completely new affordable model could have different parts and repair requirements. Common components should eventually become easier to source, but early buyers could potentially face longer repair times if certain parts are limited. Now let's talk about driving. In the city, the Model 2 could be a very easy car to live with. Electric power delivery is smooth and immediate. When you press the accelerator, the car can respond quickly without waiting for a traditional engine and transmission to build momentum. Its smaller size could also be a huge advantage. American cities can have crowded parking lots, narrow streets, busy intersections, and tight parking spaces. A compact Tesla could be easier to maneuver than a large SUV or pickup. For Asian buyers, this could be even more important. In places where roads and parking areas are tighter, a smaller Tesla could offer the technology and efficiency of an EV without the size of a large American vehicle. On the highway, comfort and stability will be critical. If Tesla gives the Model 2 a quiet cabin, well-controlled suspension, and good aerodynamic efficiency, it could become a surprisingly comfortable long-distance commuter. Range will naturally drop at higher highway speeds, especially in cold or extremely hot weather. Heavy air conditioning use, high-speed driving, and a full passenger load can also reduce real-world mileage. But for everyday commuting, school runs, deliveries, and local business trips, the Model 2 could potentially be extremely economical. Now let's compare it with an American competitor, the Chevrolet Trax. The Trax offers the familiarity of a conventional gasoline crossover, easy refueling, and a well-established dealership network. The potential Tesla advantage would be lower energy costs, electric performance, reduced routine engine maintenance, and access to Tesla's technology ecosystem. If the Tesla starts near $25,000 to $30,000, the value comparison becomes very interesting. A buyer could choose the familiar gasoline experience of the Trax or potentially spend less on energy and routine maintenance with the Model 2. Resale value is more difficult to predict. Tesla prices have changed significantly over time, and EV depreciation can be affected by new car discounts, battery improvements, government incentives, and competition. A low starting price could help make the Model 2 affordable, but it could also influence used values if Tesla continues reducing new car prices. For commercial users, however, depreciation may not be the only thing that matters. If a delivery driver, contractor, service company, or small business can save hundreds of dollars each year on energy and maintenance, those operating cost savings could be more important than achieving the highest resale value. And that may be the hidden value of the Model 2. It doesn't need to be the fastest Tesla. It doesn't need to have the biggest battery. It doesn't need to replace a full-size American pickup. It simply needs to be affordable, dependable, efficient, easy to charge, and practical. If Tesla can achieve that combination, the Model 2 could appeal to commuters, families, students, small business owners, delivery drivers, and value-focused buyers who previously couldn't justify the cost of an EV. For American roads, busy city traffic, narrow streets, daily commuting, and commercial use, a compact Tesla could make a lot of sense. Lower energy costs, potentially lower routine maintenance, easy city driving, and a relatively affordable purchase price could create a very different kind of Tesla ownership experience. But the biggest question remains, can Tesla actually deliver all of this at a genuinely affordable price? If the rumored Model 2 arrives around the $25,000 to $30,000 range with useful real-world range and strong battery durability, it could change the affordable EV market dramatically. So now I want to hear from you. Would you buy a Tesla Model 2 if it started around $25,000 to $30,000? Or would you still choose a gasoline or hybrid American car? Tell us your opinion in the comments. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest Tesla news, new car reviews, EV updates, and future vehicle launches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.